Hey guys, my name's Riley, this is my brother Randy, and we are going to make some puppy chow, or other places call it muddy buddies. So, we have peanut butter, chocolate chips, powdered sugar, and the checks. This is a fire, so we're going to try to use it and see how it goes.
We don't have measuring stuff. Can't measure peanut butter in that.
Then go get another measuring thing. I'll do the chocolate chips. We need 1 cup of chocolate chips?
Yep.
Oh no, Randy, these are minis.
Uh-oh. More surface area, they'll melt better.
Yeah, that's true. Hi, Dinky. Dinky's gonna help.
Okay, this is all we got.
Where's the plastic ones?
I don't know. I don't think we have plastic ones.
We used to. Maybe we got rid of them.
You got a point. We probably didn't get rid of them.
We are looking for a different measuring cup for the peanut butter. Start melting the chocolate chips.
Probably.
Yeah, we'll just... Yeah. Okay, we have half a cup of peanut butter. Can you bring another spoon? Just because there's like tons of peanut butter stuck on here.
I'll just eat that one.
Okay.
A few incense. They're starting to melt.
Are they?
Yeah. What's that?
That is the carbon monoxide detector.
That makes me feel better. Kitty.
Is it Dinky?
It is. He's scared. Can you try this? There's a lot of peanut butter on this.
I know there is. You got like the deepest spoon we had. Okay, and then while we're waiting for those to melt, should I stir it right away?
Can you?
Oh yeah, the peanut, or not the peanut butter, the chocolate chips are starting to melt. We'll see how this turns out. Okay, now I should leave this in there, right?
Probably not.
Just use that as to hold that. Okay, and then we need 9 cups.
Mm-hmm.
What's this? Is there 9 cups in here?
We're gonna find out.
We sure are.
We do have the.
We do have the wheat one. If there's not. Well, it says it's 1 1/3 cups per serving. And there's about 8 servings in the box.
Okay.
So that should be enough.
Yeah.
There should be a little extra.
I think you just pour the whole bag in.
Well, what's 8 times 1 1/3? We would have a little extra. Hey, Trev. Okay, it's melted. Now what? Okay, so remove from heat.
Is it hot?
I'm assuming so. And then add cereal and stir.
Well, I don't think that can fit in there. You want a mixing spoon?
Yes, please.
It's fine. That was me.
I feel like we're not gonna have enough chocolate for the entire 9 cups.
I think so. You want me to work on this one? Or do you want it all to be in there?
I want it all to be here, I think. It's good.
You use the chocolate.
We're gonna be out of cereal in that bucket before it's all added in here. Should I put a little more in here and then we put the rest in there?
Oh, you want it all in there?
Huh?
Oh, you want it all in there?
I don't think we can mix it all in here. The next part is to put it in a large plastic bag.
Do we have larger plastic bags?
Mom does somewhere. I need to pause. And he just needs to get.
Don't do that. It's not all over.
I'm trying. I think it's past.
You think it's past?
I think so. Alright, powdered sugar time?
Sure.
Alright, how much powdered sugar do we need?
A cup and a half.
Cup and a half. That doesn't sound like enough.
That's how much chocolate and peanut butter there is in there.
Yes.
I don't have the knife on me.
Maybe get the scissors. Thank you.
Catch.
No, don't throw scissors. Tells not to throw scissors, proceeds to throw scissors and catch.
Yep.
I was a little worried that was just going to kind of fall. Spill everywhere.
Don't play nose goes. Riley, you lost.
God, you're stupid. It says, oh, it's 1 2/3. Where's 1 1/2? There it is. It's on the other side. Oh.
Well, you said it didn't seem like enough. So, just add more.
We'll do that. We're just over 1 1/3, or 1 2/3.
That's fine.
Smells so good. Should I put a little in and then shake it and then I pull in? Just put it up a little bit.
Nah. Put it all in. Why did it explode?
I'm so excited.
Are you?
Close enough.
No, is it? No?
It's powdered sugar. Stop opening the bag.
Stop not closing the bag.
Good.
Okay, just don't aim it at me.
Alright, we finished the puppy chow. We had to add more powdered sugar than it said, so we added probably closer to a cup and a quarter, or two and a quarter cups than the 1.5 that it said. So we got a nice coat of powdered sugar on there. Took a little longer than I said it would, but we had fun, and we're just gonna eat all of the puppy chow now. So, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!